In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design Facebook ads in Canva. This is a quick guide to help you create effective and eye-catching ads in just 5 minutes. So let's dive right in and explore the simple steps to get you up and running. First off, you need to open Canva. If you haven't used Canva before, it's an incredibly user-friendly design platform that brings all the design tools you need right to your fingertips. You can access Canva through your web browser, or you can download the app on your device. Once you're in, you'll want to create a design. You'll find the Create a Design button right on your Canva dashboard. Click it, and from the drop-down menu, choose Facebook Post. This option is perfectly sized for Facebook ads, making your job much easier. Next, you have a choice to make. Will you start with a template or create your ad from scratch? Canva offers an extensive library of templates designed by professionals, which can really speed things up if you're short on time or inspiration. On the other hand, if you prefer to have full creative control, starting from scratch can allow you to bring your unique vision to life. Once you've got your base set up, it's time to add visual elements. High-resolution images or illustrations are key to making your ad stand out. If you plan on using your own images, simply upload them. Otherwise, Canva provides a rich collection of stock photos and illustrations that you can use, many of which are free. Now, let's focus on the text. Navigate to the text section and add a bold headline to your design. Your headline should be clear and concise, capturing attention instantly. The use of bold text will enhance readability and ensure that it doesn't get lost amid your visual elements. Moving along, head to the Elements tab. Here, you can select additional images or illustrations to make your design more compelling. Eye-catching visuals are important for Facebook ads as they encourage engagement and clicks. Feel free to experiment with different options, but ensure they align with your brand and message. One crucial aspect of design is ensuring that your text contrasts well with the background. This contrast is what makes your text pop, allowing viewers to easily read your message without straining their eyes. Adjusting the color of either your background or text as needed will make a significant difference in your ad's effectiveness. Once you're satisfied with how your ad looks, it's time to share your creation with the world. Simply click on the Share button, and you'll see the option to download your design. Choose either the MP4 format for a video ad or PNG for an image ad, depending on your needs. And just like that, you're ready to go. With these easy steps, you can design an eye-catching Facebook ad in Canva quickly and efficiently. Whether you're promoting a product, event, or content, Canva's tools empower you to create an ad that's both attractive and strategic. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.